Hey friends, this is Atif Opiorval and welcome to the update on Wormhole. On the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that the price on a Wormhole is moving inside a huge and long-term falling wedge pattern since after the month of April 2024, and now the movement is getting squeezed inside this wedge. You can see that we found a resistance here in the month of April 2024. Then we got rejection. Then we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, another bounce. And this time the pricing is once again rejected. Along with the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, it is also rejected by this red line that is the exponential moving average 21 resistance. And now here we have a complete support down, by the way. That starts from 6.46 cents and goes to 5 cents. And there is also a probability of an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and now it can form the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And if it is inverse head and shoulder pattern, that is seems to be, then it can also break out this very long term falling wedge pattern as well very soon. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Wormhole that I shared on 13th of July 2025 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 41% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Wormhole that I shared on 13th of July 2025 in my members. That was a bullish cipher move that Wormhole completed on a 1-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. It buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal, and this was almost 41% pump. Before that, recently I shared another trade signal, and this signal produced almost 33% pump, and that was a bullish AB equal to CD move that Wormhole completed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair, and this was a complete trade setup. Buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started another very massive reversal and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart, and here you can see that recently the price on a Wormhole is rejected by the resistance of this falling wedge pattern and also got rejected by this resistance of EMA 21. And now we need to break out these both resistance levels together in order to start a massive move. And right now, it is also likely to form an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This is the left shoulder, a head, and the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And this will be the neckline. If the price breaks out this inverse head and shoulder pattern, the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, the technical target will be here. That will be approximately at 16.5 cents. And if the price reaches there, then we can also break out this huge falling wedge pattern as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $1.80 to $2. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the videos description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.